a lot of people who are interested in making money online through flipping. Flipping is a process of buying something for a low price and then selling it for a higher price. This can be done with items such as houses, cars, furniture, and more. However, before you start flipping, it's important that you watch full video. In our video, we'll show you the ropes of flipping and how to avoid some of the common mistakes that people make. We'll also give you some tips on how to maximize your profits. After watching our video, you'll be armed with the knowledge you need to start flipping and making money. So don't wait any longer. Watch and start making money on flipping. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. Here are a few reasons why flipping online is a profitable way to generate money. There is a low barrier to entry compared to other business ventures. Flipping online requires very little upfront investment. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You can start flipping websites for a profit without spending a lot of money. It is a relatively simple process. Flipping websites is not a complicated process. Once you find a website that you think has potential, all you need to do is make some improvements and then sell it for a profit. If you can follow simple directions, you can flip websites. You can make a lot of money. For example, you want to make money flipping websites. If you flip a website for a profit, you can make a lot of money. The amount of money you can make will depend on how much you sell the website for and how much work you put into it. However, if you do it right, you can make a lot of money flipping websites. It is a great way to learn about online business. If you want to learn about online business, flipping websites is a great way to do it. When you flip websites, you will learn about things like website development, website design, and online marketing. These are all valuable skills that you can use to start and grow your own online business. It is a fun way to make money. Flipping websites can be a fun and rewarding experience. It is a great way to make some extra money, and it can also be a lot of fun. If you enjoy working on websites and you are looking for a way to make some extra money, flipping websites is a great option. There are a few different ways that you can find items to flip. The first way is to look for items that you can buy cheaply and sell for a higher price. This could be done by looking for clearance items at stores or by looking for items that are being sold for a lower price than they are worth. Another way to find items to flip is to look for items that are in high demand. This could be done by looking at what items are selling well on online auction sites or by looking at what items are selling for a high price on classified ads. When it comes to flipping, knowledge is power. The more you know about an item, the more likely you are to be able to sell it for a profit. Do some research on popular items in your chosen niche, as well as on the marketplaces you plan to sell on. Start small. It's important to get a feel for the flipping process before you invest too much time or money. Start with small, low-cost items that you are confident you can sell quickly and for a profit. Finally, you can also look for items that you can create yourself. This could be done by looking for items that you can make using recycled materials, or by looking for items that you can make using a unique skill that you have. No matter what method you use to find items to flip, the important thing is to make sure that you are flipping items that you are confident in. This means that you should only flip items that you are familiar with and that you are comfortable with the risks involved. While there are many different things that can be flipped for a profit, 3 of the most popular items are antiques, collectibles, and art. Each of these items can be found for relatively low prices and sold for a much higher price, resulting in a nice profit. To start, let's take a look at antiques. Antiques are items that are at least 100 years old and are considered to be valuable due to their age and rarity. When flipping antiques, it's important to do your research to ensure that you're getting a good deal on the item and that it will sell for a higher price. There are a number of online resources that can be used to research the value of an antique before making a purchase. Next, let's look at collectibles. Collectibles are items that are considered to be valuable due to their rarity or uniqueness. Common collectibles include items such as coins, stamps, and baseball cards. When flipping collectibles, it's important to focus on items that are in high demand and that are not easy to find. This will help to ensure that you're able to sell the item for a higher price. Finally, let's take a look at art. Art is a broad category that can include anything from paintings and sculptures to pottery and jewelry. When flipping art, it's important to focus on items that are in high demand and that are unique. This will help to ensure that you're able to sell the item for a higher price. Art can be found for relatively low prices at garage sales, thrift stores, and online auction sites. If you're interested in making money by flipping things online, antiques, collectibles, and art are 3 great items to focus on. By doing your research and focusing on items that are in high demand, you can make a nice profit by flipping these items. When it comes to pricing items for flipping, you will need to do some research to find out what similar items are selling for. You can do this by searching online or checking out prices at local thrift stores. Once you have an idea of what the item is worth, you can then add a reasonable markup to ensure that you make a profit. It is important to remember that you are not trying to make a killing on each item, but rather to make a reasonable profit so that you can continue to do business. When it comes to marketing your items, there are a few different avenues you can explore. One option is to create a website or blog to showcase your items. You can also list your items on online auction sites or classifieds websites. Social media can also be a great way to spread the word about your business. Be sure to take advantage of all the free marketing tools available to you in order to reach the widest audience possible. In conclusion, there is a lot of potential to make money by flipping items online. However, there are also some things to keep in mind in order to be successful. Be sure to do your research in order to price your items correctly and market them effectively. With a little effort, you can soon be on your way to making money in this exciting field.